Hey everyone, I'm just on here real quick to show you how to upload your slides as a presentation instead of what looks like a working version for your students. If you go and create an assignment and you just upload them straight from your doc, even if you make a student copy or whatever, they look like this, which looks like a working version. And it looks like they're going to want to edit it, which they can. If it's a student copy, it's not going to hurt anything, but it just doesn't look the way that you'd want it to look to present to the kids. So instead, you would do a different way, which I'll show you here in a minute, and it comes up looking more like a presentation, more like a finished product. And so this is what you can do instead. They can click through, they can click back, save it for their own, refer back to it, whatever they need to do. But then this looks more like a finished version, something that you would show. And they don't even have the option at this point to have any of the slides over here on the left or do any editing. So a nice finished version. So how do you do it? Well, what you do is when you go to your Google Drive and you have your show all done, your slides are all done, ready to go, you go to File, and come down under File to Publish to the Web. So I'm at File, Publish to the Web. Once you get here, you'll click the boxes. I mean, you don't have to, but I like them. It'll start by itself and then restart afterwards, just nice. And then you push this Publish. Now it looks a little scary, like you're thinking, where am I publishing this? But you're not, you're just making it ready to be a published piece. So it says, are you sure? Push OK. And once you do that, you get this link here, copy it out. You go back to your classroom, you create that assignment, put your title, instructions, whatever you want, add link, paste those in, add it, and if you see the little black on the side, once it loads, that's a presentation. And then you assign it just like you would any other assignment. So I hope this is helpful to some of you. If you have any more questions about it, just let me know.